Among the peaks, Morgantown nestles, a haven for adventure seekers and geeks. Beer festivals and art galore. Nightlife that will leave you wanting more. Cooper's Rock and Dorsey's Knob. Trails that lead to wondrous awe. Decker's Creek, a visual delight, where nature's wonders take flight. West Virginia University, a place of great pride, where sports and arts collide. Museums and gardens, a feast for the eyes, in this land where beauty lies. So come and explore this mountainous state, where West Virginia's warmth awaits. From city streets to nature's embrace, a poem celebrating West Virginia's grace. And if you enjoyed this video, please follow, like, and subscribe. And smash that bell to stay notified. I hope to see you again soon, my friend. Until then, this is where the poem ends.